PetSitter Plus includes a powerful customization tool for your system, enabling you to collect and display the specific client, pet, and staff information you need to provide your services. Important. If you're new to custom fields, then check out the Introduction to Custom Fields video. It's the first one in this series and explains how custom fields can provide endless opportunities for customizing your CRM. You'll find the link just below this video. PetSitter Plus comes with a standard set of pages, sections, and fields that may already meet the specific needs of your business. However, custom fields gives you the option to create your own fields, or you can edit the ones that are already included. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Navigate to the Admin tab, then select Custom Fields. Custom fields are organized into pages, sections, and then individual fields. For more information on pages and sections, check out our introduction video. In this video, we will focus specifically on fields, exploring the different types available and how you can use them. Let's take a look at the options available. First of all, there are number fields. This type of field can be used when you want the field to contain a number and nothing else. For example, an age field for a pet. Or maybe the account number for a staff member, which could be stored on their personal profile for staff pay purposes. Simple text fields can contain any characters and are generally one row of information. They are typically used for names and short notes such as pet name on the pet profile or how did you hear about us under the client details. Date fields contain the option for a date-only field, such as a pet's date of birth. When a client clicks on the field, a pop-up calendar is used to enter the required date. The true-false option can be used where you want to have a yes-no response. An example of this field's use would be the "Is the date of birth estimated" field. When this type of field is shown in the admin interface, true-false is displayed using a toggle button. Toggling on indicates a true or yes response. In the client portal, a true-false field is represented by a checkbox. A client can select the checkbox to represent a true or yes response. A multi-line text or notepad field can contain any characters. An example would be the internal staff notes or additional notes on a client account. This type of field can provide more in-depth descriptive responses. The choice field allows you to define a number of preset choices, presented as either radio buttons or a drop-down menu. Here we can see an example of the radio button option in the Type of Collar Used field on a pet profile, where several options for types of collar are presented and a client can select one of these. Alternatively, selecting the drop-down option displays the preset choices in a drop-down menu style such as the pet type. When nothing is selected, the choice defaults to not set until a pet type option is selected. Email address types of field are used for properly formatted email addresses. The formatting allows you to click on the email address and it will trigger a new email process. Web links are available to add valid web URLs, formatted as a clickable link in the client portal and staff interface. An example would be on a staff training record, where a website link for a training course could be added by a staff member. Clicking the web link will open an external web page. Phone numbers become a clickable link in the staff dashboard, when the phone field type is used on mobile. Clicking or tapping call opens options to initiate a call. The address fields become a clickable link in the staff dashboard. These fields are formatted so when clicked, a default map opens and displays the location. This makes it really easy to find the best route to your next job by using your phone's navigation app and requesting directions. The file field type provides a Choose File button. An example of this type of field is for storing client documents such as terms and conditions and vet release forms, which can then be selected to enable an upload of a document from a device. Acceptable file formats for uploading files include Excel or CSV files, Word documents, or PDFs. Top tip: uploaded files can then be downloaded by clients on their own portals. Similar to the file type field, image fields display the Choose File button for selection and allows the upload of various types of image file. Acceptable image formats for uploading images include JPEGs, GIFs, and PNG files. Image fields can be used to store photos such as a pet photo, medication, or on a client profile, home alarm systems, or location of cleaning supplies. Another example where image fields are used is within our popular service report feature, providing your clients with an insight into their pet's daily activities. Custom fields are available on your system to tailor your staff and client experience, utilizing many different field formats for collecting, entering, and view information. Check out our other videos in this series, such as how to create and edit pages, sections, and fields, or add display conditions to further customize your system. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our learning zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.